Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best robot vacuum for hardwood you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many robot vacuum for hardwood and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each robot vacuum for hardwood so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a robot vacuum for hardwood. First, focus on suction power and brush type since hardwood floors need gentle yet effective cleaning without scratching the surface. Next, look for smart navigation and sensors that prevent collisions and avoid rugs or uneven edges. Battery life and charging speed are also important to ensure consistent cleaning of large areas. You should also consider a vacuum with a slim design to fit under furniture and reach tight spaces easily. Noise level matters too, especially if you plan to run it frequently. Check if it supports app control or scheduling for added convenience. Finally, ensure the dustbin is easy to empty and maintain. Choosing wisely will keep your hardwood floor spotless and protected for years. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.